Okay, this is our precision distilling hydrometer system. This includes 3 hydrometers, all of which are reading in proof, calibrated at 60 degrees Fahrenheit. The first hydrometer is 0 to 110 degrees proof. Your second hydrometer is 100 to 160 degrees proof. And your third hydrometer is 160 to 200 degrees proof. So that covers your entire range of proof. Also included is a N.I.S.T thermometer in case you're doing any temperature correction. Test jar with included cleaning brush. Wine thief for extracting a sample of liquid. Wooden rack, and even a pencil to take all your notes.